Welcome to TDS Online Math. Right, so let's provide a solution to this question, okay? So we are given 10 raised to x plus 10 raised to x equals to 1000. Solution. Okay, so we have 10 raised to x plus 10 raised to x equals to 1000. Now we have so many ways of solving this, okay? Now you can choose to let a variable be 10 raised to x, okay? Or you can go by this approach that a plus a is what? 2a, okay? So this plus that will be 2 times 10 raised to x, okay? All right, so let 10 raised to x be t, okay? So in going back, our t plus t equals to 1000. So we have 2t equals to 1000. That is great. So from here we can find t, okay, by dividing both sides by coefficient of t, that is 2. Okay, so this one will cancel. So my t will be, so 2 here, 5 plus 2 zeros, so t is 500. Okay, t is 500. Now we can go back and do substitution. Since we represented this one by t, and we have t as 500, so let's bring back t. So we have 10 raised to x equals to t, but t is 500. T is 500. Okay, all right, so let's solve for x here. Okay, now before we can do that, we need to bring the power here down. Okay, so before we can do that, we have to take log on both sides. Okay, so have log, okay, let's use log 10 raised to x equals to log 500. Okay, so this side will be x log 10. Okay, so we have log 500. All right, now even though log 10 is 1, but let's keep it for now. Okay, all right, so let's divide both sides by log 10. So we have log 500 over log 10. Now we have 500, which is the same as 50, so we have 50 times 10, okay, on log 10. Okay, now remember from product rule of logarithm that log a b the same as log a plus log b. So we have x log 50 plus log 10. So over log 10. Okay, so from here you can write this as log 50 over log 10 plus log 10 over log 10. Okay, now we know this side is 1 so we'll left with log 50 over log 10 plus 1. Okay, now we can go again. So from here, x, because now log 50 is the same as 5 times 10, which is 50 over log 10 plus 1. Okay, so this side will be log 5 plus, remember the property, log 10 over log 10 plus 1. So x will be log 5 over log 10, okay, plus log 10 over log 10. Okay, so plus 1. So this side will go to 1. So we have x log 5 over log 10 plus 1 plus 1 will be 2. Okay, so 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now, when you are given log a over log b, the same as log a to base b. So you can write this one as x plus log 5 base 10, okay, plus 2 as the answer. Okay, so we have x plus x equals log 5 to base 10 equals to 2. All right, now remember that the base here is 10 and we have this. So let's verify. So we have 10 raised x plus 10 raised x equals to 1000. Okay, let's confirm. Okay, so 10 raised x. So let's do the substitution. Okay, we have 2 plus log 5 to base 10. So log 5 to base 2 plus 2, okay, plus 10 raised to log, oh sorry, this side is 10, not this side is 10. 10, 5 plus 2. So let's check this one out if you get 1000. Okay, now from here, now when we're given a to the power m plus n, the same as a to the power m times a to the power n. So this side will be 10 raised to log 5 base 10 times 10 raised to plus, we have same thing here, 10 raised to log 5 to base 10 times 10 raised to. Now when we're given x raised to log p to base x, so x, the answer is p. So with this 10, we have 10 times 10 squared is 100. Okay, 10 squared is 100. plus, so this side will be, oh sorry, this side is 5, not 100. So 10, 10, 5, and we have 10, 10, 5 times 100. Okay, so we have 500 plus 500, which will be 1000. Hence proved. Okay, so that's the first